In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subtasks in Asana. Subtasks are a great way to break down a larger piece of work into smaller, more manageable steps. And Asana makes this really simple to do. I'll walk you through the whole process from inside your Asana dashboard, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for. First, go ahead and log into your Asana account and open your main dashboard. This is the area where you can see your projects and task lists. Locate the project and task you want to work with. When you click on a task, Asana will open a detailed view, usually as a panel or pop-up on the right side of your screen. This detailed view shows everything related to that task: the description, assignee, due date, attachments, comments, and more. Now, inside this task details panel, scroll down until you see the section labeled Subtasks. Depending on your screen size or how much information the task already has, you might need to scroll a little bit before you find it. It's usually located below the description and any custom fields, but above the comments section. Once you see the subtasks area, look to the right side of that section for a small plus icon. This is what you'll use to add a new subtask. Click that plus icon and a new line will appear where you can type the name of your subtask. Think of each subtask as a smaller action that contributes to completing the main task. For example, if your main task is launch marketing campaign, subtasks could be draft email copy, design social media graphics, or schedule posts. Type the name of your subtask in that line, then press enter on your keyboard to save it. As soon as you hit enter, Asana will create that subtask and automatically add a new blank line underneath, ready for your next one. You can repeat this as many times as you like to outline all the steps you need. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, Asana also lets you create subtasks by pressing Tab plus S while you're in the task details view. This opens a new subtask field without needing to click the plus icon, which can save time if you're adding several subtasks in a row. And that's all there is to it. By logging into your Asana dashboard, opening a task, finding the subtask section, and using the plus icon or the Tab plus S shortcut, you can quickly create clear, organized subtasks and keep your work structured and easy to follow.